back. I hope you all are having a fantastic day. Thank you so much for being here. I do appreciate it. If you are new, please consider hitting that subscribe button. We would love to have you join our YouTube family. We do have lots of giveaways coming up, so please keep an eye out for those. Some really awesome fun ones. I know of at least 3, possibly 4, so like I said, keep an eye out for those. As you can see, today we are doing a not a new subscription, a new month for Scentbird. I am loving this subscription because I recently found out in the past few months that you can actually get more than just the perfume every month in here. Now you can get, and that is obviously the basis of this subscription, a 30-day supply, but it's really much longer, of a designer perfume. They have so many to choose from. I've actually found a new favorite perfume because of this subscription. But again, recently I discovered you can order makeup, you can order candles, you can order skincare, you can order so many different things. It's only $14.95 a month. I do have a link that I will put down below that if you use the link, you actually will get a month free. So it's basically you pay for 1 month, you get a month free. So how awesome is that? So you're gonna basically pay $14.95 for 2 months with my link. So this is for May 2019, so let's get in here. I honestly do not remember what is in my queue. I have put so many things in there, like through I think January, that I don't even remember what is in here. I think I'm actually, now that I'm feeling it, I think I may know. So let's open it up. Yep, now I remember. So this is the Kat Von D Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick, and it says, let's see, it tells us right here, Kat Von D Beauty. Kat Von D Beauty creates long wear ultra pigmented makeup for eyes, lips, face, and beyond. All products are 100% vegan and cruelty free. And so it shows here one of the long lasting liquid lipsticks as well as an eyeliner. And then the front of the card has her picture. So I picked, apparently, like I said, I don't remember. But it is the Everlasting Liquid Lipstick, and I got the color Double Dare. So here is that. So let's open this guy. Oh my goodness. Like, okay. So, I need more coffee. So I'm sitting here like trying to open here where it's like sealed with the sticker, and I look and the other end has no sticker. So, we're gonna open them with the other end. Again, this is Double Dare. Ooh, this is pretty. I got, in, I believe it was BoxyCharm months back, like this awful brown, like poopy lip. And I was not happy about it. So I am very happy to finally have one of her long wear lipsticks, because I have heard amazing things that I can try. So let's do a little swatch. Again, this is the color Double Dare, which looks like a color I would love. Oh my goodness. Yes. That color is so beautiful. Like, I cannot wait to go try this. I have a few more videos I'm planning to do later today after the mail runs, because I know I have at least 2 things coming. So I may actually take off. This is the MAC liquid lipstick that I did with my Birchbox points, and I do really love it. And if you look, it has a little bit of like a metallic shine, and it feels very comfortable. So those of you that were wondering about the MAC liquid lipstick, it feels amazing. not sticky or anything, and I just really, really like this. However, like I said, I know that once my mail runs later today, I will probably have at least 2 or 3 things coming, so I may actually put this on because you guys, that is so beautiful. I love this color, and like I said, I'm so excited to finally have one of her liquid lip longwear lips to actually wear. So again, this, I'm actually going to take this and kind of fan this so we can see. But again, and I believe those sell for about $20. So that right there is more than what you pay for the subscription, which is fantastic, because that's the reason a lot of us enjoy subscriptions, is because we get more than, you know, what we actually spend. We get more bang for our buck. So like I said, we'll put a link down below if you would like to sign up for Scentbird. And like I said, they have perfume, candles, body washes, skincare, makeup. And when I say makeup, they obviously have the Kat Von D, they have Tarte, they have Deck of Scarlet. They have so many different things, and the skincare is amazing. They have Elemis, they have Kapari. I can't remember all of the other brands, but they are stepping it up with a different variety of options that they are adding. And I could not be more happy about that, because, you know, like I said, the 30-day supply of their not their lipstick, their perfume lasts so much longer than 30 days. So I like switching it up, where not every month I'm getting a perfume. I can actually try, you know, a product I haven't before, or something that if I wanted to purchase it, it actually would cost more money, but I can get it in this subscription for cheaper. So I think that's fantastic. So it has dried down, and I'm rubbing it right here. And that, my friends, is why I wanted to have one of these lipsticks to actually be able to wear and try, because I have heard such wonderful things about the way, and it does, like, I can't feel on my hand where the lipstick actually is. Like, I just feel skin. And there is no transfer. You can see it's the same. So I am super pumped about this color. Again, this is Double Dare by Kat Von D, and that was my May 2019 Scentbird. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Give me a thumbs up if you did. It does help me out. And again, if you are new, please go ahead and consider hitting that subscribe button. I hope you all have a fantastic day, and I will talk with you guys with the next one.